So creating money in itself is not bad. It's really what you do with it and how you allocate it. So it's a problem of governance. And to me, that's really what things like DAOs can help solve. Unlike fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies are not used as legal tender widely. There's only El Salvador and Central African Republic currently that are using Bitcoin, which is, I mean, you know my thoughts about it. So Bitcoin is just like the US dollar. It's a foreign currency to the government. They can't mint it, and they can't allocate it because they can't mint it. So they'd have to buy it, and it crowds out existing purchasing power that they have. But in SORA, what we want to do is actually target developing countries and get them to use SORA as a legal tender. And then the idea would be that there would be some high-level. So I know you don't like central planning, but if you study the history of Mantetsu, the Manchurian Railway in Japan, they did high-level sectoral planning based on the principle of the right activity in the right location. So like some locations have bauxite ore, and you can make aluminum, you can do the different things like that. So really the idea is that we would have some kind of high-level plan that the community would approve. So the government would, or somebody at the central bank would make this plan, approve it, and then allocate money to regional offices, and then the regional offices would allocate the money to businesses, either as grants or loans. So that's kind of the basic idea of what we want to do. And so we're actually talking to several small countries to try to pitch this idea. We'll see if we're successful. But the advantage over something like Bitcoin is instead of not being able to mint tokens, they can actually mint this token XST, and then that's convertible to ZOR, and then that can fund new business activity in the economy.